Welcome back to the Ninja FlexFlame Getting Started series. I'm so excited to introduce you to the wide variety of Ninja FlexFlame upgrades so you can up your garden cooking game. Complete your cooking system with a full-sized flat plate griddle or half flat plate griddle, 16-inch pizza stone and peel, caddy and so much more. Let's get into it. With the Ninja FlexFlame, you can elevate your griddling with the half and full griddle plates. That's right, for heater night, breakfast for the whole family, or even sizzling smash burgers for your neighbours. First things first, we need to prep the griddle. Although the griddle will come coated in a food-grade oil for protection, it is not effective at properly seasoning your griddle. You'll want to wash your griddle with warm, soapy water, then dry it before beginning the seasoning process. The seasoning process will ensure you get the best performance out of your griddle. Start by removing the grill grates from inside the firebox and storing them in the cabinet below. Place the griddle plate inside the firebox so that the top and bottom lips rest on the front and back edges of the cooking system. The grease drain can be on the front or back so you can push away grease that collects on the griddle plate. The half griddle can be placed on the right or left side. It's recommended to place it on the left if you are right-handed or on the right if you are left-handed. Now it's time to season your griddle. Rub in 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil onto the griddle plate and spread the oil evenly to coat the surface using tongs and a cloth or paper towel. Next, preheat the FlexFlame using the grill function and set the temperature to 260 degrees Celsius. Once the griddle has been preheated, it must be oiled again. Pour 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil directly onto the griddle, then use a set of tongs to grasp a paper towel and spread the oil evenly over the surface and sidewalls of the griddle. Close the hood and let the system remain hot for 5 to 10 minutes, then allow the griddle to completely cool. Repeat this process one more time before first use and ensure you oil your griddle before each cook. After that, not only will your neighbours love your smash burgers, but they'll also be big fans of pizza night. The 16-inch artisan pizza stone allows you to transform your Ninja FlexFlame into an artisan pizza maker. Ensure your grill grates are installed and place the 16-inch artisan pizza stone in the center of the grates. The durable cordierite material is heat-safe up to 315 degrees Celsius, so you can achieve crispy crusts. And because of cyclonic heat IQ, you'll get even heat from the top down for perfectly melted cheese. So what do you say? Let's get started. Start by igniting the Ninja FlexFlame and turning the dial to the grill/pizza function. Depending on the style of pizza you're making, you'll want to set the temperature between 230 and 315 degrees Celsius. Once the FlexFlame has indicated it is preheated, allow the stone to remain in the hot cavity for 10 to 15 additional minutes. In the meantime, prep your dough with your desired toppings and load it onto the FlexFlame pizza peel. This pizza peel is perforated to eliminate any excess flour from the bottom of the dough. Add your pizza onto the peel and launch it onto the preheated pizza stone. If your pizza is larger than 12 inches, you'll need to turn it 180 degrees halfway through the cook cycle to ensure it cooks evenly. You can expect your pizza to be cooked in as little as 5 minutes. Just look at these results: nice crispy crust and bubbly cheese. Build out your Ninja FlexFlame even further with the storage caddy. You can add up to 50 square inches of storage space to your Ninja FlexFlame. Fill it up with your favorite spices, sauces, utensils, and other cooking essentials, so they're within reach without taking up any space on the side table. The modular design conveniently attaches to the side hooks. Also included in the Ninja FlexFlame upgrade lineup are more traditional essentials, such as the premium grill cover, grease tray liners, and more. You can find and purchase all accessories at ninjakitchen.co.uk.